Welcome to the Alpha of channel. If you are watching my channel for the first time, I will strongly advise you consider subscribing to this channel so that when I drop interesting content, you will not miss out. So today's video is a crypto related video. For a while, I've been doing a research on various crypto signal apps that work like magic. And if I show you my computer screen, my phone screen, you're going to see a lot of apps, a lot of signal app. But one of the app I've been taking note of among these apps that I can recommend to you guys is called the Crypto Signals. This particular app with the bird. As you can see, if you come on Google Play Store, if you are using a Google device and you search for Crypto Signal, you're going to see this app, this first one with the bird on it. Right, when you click on it, that is the particular app I am using. I'm going to update this after this tutorial. So basically, this app is a crypto signal, a crypto analytical tool that provides premium quality trading signals, and the review has been good so far. Look at it, 4.6 star rating over 5. A lot of people are using this app and they've been getting positive reviews, so I decided to play with the app, see the way the app works, and see whether I can recommend it to my community generally, guys. Now, everything I say on this video is for educational purpose. Please make sure you do your own research before you use any app, tool, or before you do any investment, right? So if you come to the app, I've launched this particular app. Now, something I notice is that they consistently give signals from time to time, but not like every day, every second kind of signal. They give signal when they know it is sure for them. Like if you come to this place and you go and check their past results, you are going to see a lot of signals they've given, future signals. The last 1 week, look at the signals and the results, and most of their trades are usually very safe to take. They'll tell you to not use anything more than 3x leverage, and you just use 1% of the total amount of money in your capital. And if you look at their spot trade, they've also given a couple of spot trade and with decent results, right? Now if you go to the futures trade and you check the last 1 month, you're going to see a whole lot of trades, and there's something that's very interesting about them. The last 1 month they gave a total number of 23 trades. 21 was win, they lost 22 trades, and the win rate is like 91%, a total profit of 583%. The last 1 week they gave 13 trades, and all the 13 trades were winning trades, right? So the signal, or whatever way they create their signal, they give their trade, they make sure that it is profitable. It is kind of sure, like over 90% sure that the trade is going to go your direction before they give the signal. Although they have a premium service, which me personally, I did not try their premium service, but one thing that I noticed is that from time to time they still drop signals from time to time. Like you can see now, this is their normal service. Today is 9th of November 2022, and you can see that they gave a trading signal for 9th of November 2022, and this is to buy BTC, the profit target 1, target 2, target 3, and target 4, right? And it's not quite long they drop this signal. So basically they put the stop loss at this position, and anybody that have entered this trade will be like 0.86% up already, and this might just be the only trade you're going to see in this place. But if you are probably in their premium group, you might get access to more trades. So the point is, this particular platform so far, Crypto Signals, the one with the bird, I think is a very good one for you guys to consider if you really want to get free signal platform. I'm not an affiliate with them, I don't have any business with them totally, but based on research I saw this and I think it is something that is going to benefit everybody in my community. I have a lot of apps I'm still trying to explore, and if I see anyone that is good, I'm going to do well to let you guys know. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to either subscribe button, like this video. If you want me to make content like this, please leave that in the comment section. So for other stuff that you can benefit from the platform, you can see that they have their copy trading, Binance copy trading. They give you the crypto news. They also have a Telegram group you can join, and they even give you crypto tip and tricks, basically, right? But that being said, I'm not going to be focusing on all those areas as far as this tutorial is concerned, so I'll be ending this video at this point. To remind you, don't forget to actually hit the subscribe button and turn my bell post notification on. Bye for now. Alpha Wolf signing out, and I hope to see you in my next video.